Under the pale moonlight, a group of friends gathered around a crackling campfire near an old abandoned asylum. They were seeking thrills, drawn by stories of cruel experiments and lingering spirits within the asylum's decaying walls. Leading the group was Alex, who loved pushing boundaries. Sarah, a bit skeptical, joined for the adventure. Jake and Emma, a couple seeking excitement, and Tyler, an amateur ghost hunter with his gadgets, completed the crew. As they shared spooky stories around the fire, the wind rustled through the trees, adding a supernatural touch. Alex, with excitement in his eyes, suggested exploring the asylum that night. Though nervous, the group's curiosity overcame their fear. Armed with flashlights, they approached the crumbling building. Its broken windows and decayed facade hinted at a dark past. As they entered, the air thickened with an unsettling energy, and shadows seemed to come alive. Tyler set up his ghost hunting gear, while Sarah rolled her eyes at the dramatics. Moving deeper into the asylum, the group sensed an unshakable presence, as if the troubled souls of the past were watching. In a room with worn-out beds, they heard distant cries echoing through the hallways. Fear set in, but Alex insisted on pressing forward. As they reached the heart of the building, they discovered a forgotten laboratory with spooky surgical tools and stained tables. The ghostly cries intensified. In this chilling atmosphere, shadowy figures emerged. Tyler's gadgets went wild, capturing strange anomalies. Panicked, Jake and Emma wanted to leave, but the asylum seemed to trap them. The temperature dropped, and the air became heavy. Ghostly figures surrounded them, their suffering faces illuminated by flashlights. Tyler's devices captured glowing balls of energy and strange events. Feeling overwhelming sadness, the group sensed the deep despair of the spirits. Sarah, once a skeptic, felt a connection. In an attempt to communicate, she spoke words of comfort. Miraculously, the atmosphere shifted. The cries softened, and the figures faded away. As the group left the asylum, shaken but alive, they realized they had witnessed something extraordinary. The tortured souls found a moment of peace. The friends left with a newfound respect for the supernatural, ensuring the asylum's dark secrets would be whispered for generations.